Howdy folks, it is 4:56 p.m. Central Standard Time on March 3rd, 2022. Hope our creators keeping you well and safe wherever you are in the world. Please make sure to hit that like button and share this to social media so other people can get the idea to raise awareness and to grow this community of things that are going on in the world. I'm just doing a quick space weather update. We are looking at a level 3, a C3 basically, and I believe it was a C3, but that's really not the main point. It was a C3, I believe. But the real reason I'm coming here is to kind of show us a little bit. We're going to get this guy going right here. We're going to see it come right out of here, this little area again. Now you see how that kind of had that big whooshing effect, if you will? I'm going to call it the whoosh. The whoosh, yeah, it's like a solar tsunami. Basically, there was plasma that came out of that. You can see the plasma filament there, and it kind of got pushed and spread out. So we are going to be taking this one right square on the chin. That's coming right at us. Now, it's not big and major. Like I said, I'll have to take a look at SDO 304, which is the red, to let us see how much filament plasma actually came off with it. There is some, but I don't know how much is really going to be there. But we'll have to take a peek and gander. One of the other things we want to take a look at is right here. Yeah, this is that sunspot that's coming around the corner. This little guy just kind of developed out of nowhere right in the middle of it. Remember, there was just two? And then this showed up in the middle, so we're going to have some activity coming out of that. Yeah, buddy. But the other thing is right down... Here we go. This is where our C flare happened. I actually have it queued up for us, so we can kind of not spend a whole lot of time on it. So that was a little bit of the C, and then the bigger part is right here. So basically it's hitting over in Hawaii and the Pacific Islands over there. That was the C flare. Looks like we got about, from the color, I'd say about 16, 17. Yeah, maybe right at 15. That's right close, but about 50. We'll just call it 15. We'll just split it in the middle. Just say 15 decibels of absorption of solid X-ray for a little bit of time there. So if you're over in the Pacific Ocean, it looks like you got a little bit over there in New Zealand and the eastern side of Africa. Or Australia, excuse me. Boy, jeez Louise, where's my brain at? This is the real reason I wanted to do this little update. Do you guys notice something here? We're at windy.com, and as you can see here, look at these straight, perfect lines that go all over the place. Going from Texas all the way over here to the southern tip of Florida, almost right between Cuba and Florida. Just right here, a perfect line. Perfect straight line from right up here near Tallahassee all the way down here to the Bahamas. Or whatever island that is right there. You got another one here off the northeastern side of South America, going right up along Africa, all the way up here into Portugal, all the way up here into Europe, literally right into England. And you got one here over by the Western Africa, coming straight all the way down here to South Africa. Look at these lines. Now guess what this is? See this right over here? Nitrous dioxide. These are perfectly straight lines, folks. The wind doesn't go that way. Okay, that's not a wind. That's not even a cloud. That's just the chemicals. That is just the toxins. That is proof of chemtrailing right there, folks. See that? In fact, let's zoom in right here because we seem to have a lot of lines over here. It looks like. Let's zoom in over here and take a peek first. Yeah. Look at this. Look at these lines. Perfectly straight lines. Is that chemtrails? Oh, I don't know. But look at this. Some of them are perfect, like triangles. You got triangle shapes over here. These are perfect lines. Can anybody say weather manipulation much? Look at this. There's a triangle. Whoa, London. Whoa, England over here. Goodness gracious, you guys are getting hit with some nitrous dioxide. You're probably going to be in the 40s. Let's see where you're at here. Yep, 44. So if you're over in London, ow, you're kind of high. Ooh, 50. Uh-oh, that ain't good. Yeah, 51. Not so grand. Over here near Gloucestershire, you're gonna be getting into 20 because this is coming this way. So in the 20s, that's not good. But yeah, you need to be careful, folks. Up here near Milan, I mean, of course, as we go over, we know that it just gets bad. But I actually wanted to bring this to y'all's attention. Look at all these lines, and then look at how it just kind of just goes from here and just swirls up this way. This is manipulation. This is being done this way. That right there is proof of chemtrailing. Those are perfect lines, and the wind does not go that way. In fact, here, let's just go right to windy. Boop. Do you guys see any straight lines coming out of that? I sure as heck don't. There ain't no straight lines that do that. See? Where's a straight line? I don't see one. In fact, let's go up an area. Let's go up in altitude and see if we can find some straight lines. Let's go up a little bit higher. I'm still not seeing those trails, how they do that. Come on. Let's go up higher. I'm still not seeing it, folks. Is anybody else seeing that? I'm not seeing that. I actually zoomed out, and I went over here to PM 2.5, folks, and I was like, well, let's just do a quick little update and see what's going on. But before I do that, I'm going to do a little scan first and see. And I'm like, okay, we're seeing some bad areas. And then I got over here into China and went, oh my gosh. What the hell is going on over here? Folks, this is bad. Oh my gosh. I have never seen PM 2.5 that high in my life. 702. Did you guys see that? 702? 718? Did I just see 718? What in the hell? 718. Oh man. That's almost off the charts, folks. It goes to 1,000. This is meters cubed. This is PM 2.5. Like one of the worst neurotoxins out there. 868. Oh my gosh. 970. Oh, 977. 980. 87. Oh my gosh. 987. Oh my gosh. Folks, I've never seen that in my life. I think I just saw 990. Did I see a 990? Oh, I hope I didn't. Oh. Folks, say some prayers for these people over here in China. These people are literally being poisoned to death. These people are going to be dying very quickly. And I mean very quickly. There's no such thing as a safe level of PM 2.5. It's just time of exposure in it. This right here, 5 minutes. And it's a deadly dose. Oh my gosh. People, please remember, keep your eyes open and have no fear. And remember that love is the only way forward.